Hello everyone, it's Gillian here, come along to share the day 6 of the 12 Digits challenge for Julie and Cara. This isn't my idea, this design, the page that I've made here. I have seen somebody else do it. I'm afraid I can't remember who it was. I'm terrible because I do watch lots and lots of other people's videos to get inspiration, but my memory isn't brilliant. So even when I see them I think, oh, I remember that was her that did that, and I'll share that. By the time I'm actually working on anything, I tend to forget who it was. So I apologise, but I'm sure there's not only one person that's done this. So basically, from the elements, some of the elements of day 6, from the two ladies, I'm pretty sure it was Cara that had 2 bands in these prints that could have been used as belly bands or a side pocket or something like that, but I thought they'd look lovely as Christmas baubles. So I've cut them out. I don't know if you can see, it's sparkly. I cut them out. I haven't got a circle cutter that size, so I literally drew around the bottom of a bottle. I think it was my glue bottle actually. Cut them out and then put, I experimented. I found a little pot of, it's like gold glitter embossing powder, I think it was called, which I don't know quite how that would be used, but I experimented using either glue or glossy accents, and that's the glossy accents, the other 2 are glue, so I think it worked much better on that one. So it's nice and sparkly. I've got this lovely Christmas ribbon. It's the sort with the wire in. I thought that would look lovely along the top of that page. And then I've just used again some of these trims as the hanging cords. That ribbon I've put round to the other side of the page as well, so that will be there. Oh, I've just noticed, look at that on that tea stain. Looks like a leaf print. It looks lovely. And then I've just done some, cut out some of the other elements, glued them together, and this is just what a little one popping in and out of there. So again, other things could be put into there, but I thought that went really well with the colours on the page. I've then gone on to just simply on a few of the other elements, cut them out, backed them on the tea dyed paper, and just because doing this I had glitter all over the place, I use a glue stick for most of my gluing, so I just literally put the glue where I thought, oh, it might be nice to have a bit of glitter, popped the card upside down, dabbed it on there, and I thought that looked really pretty, just made it look nice. Same on that one, put some glitter on that one too, not so much picked up on that one. And those I'm going to pop into one of the rows of pockets that I made. I can't remember which day that was now, but I thought these elements would look nice. Oh, that's upside down. Would look nice tucked into them, like so. And see, by having something tall at the back, as I was saying on yesterday's, I was looking at a different one of the pockets, but it doesn't matter. It just, I think, just gives that nice sense of balance to the page, really. So there, those 3 elements and that page, that's my day 6. See you again on day 7. Take care, everyone. Bye.